Good morning guys! Kauban ako karon akong gamay nga ulit si Chino. And we're going to Costa Road. Say hi! Hi!
Hi.
It's a car-free Sundays here at Costa Road, Davao City. You know? Ay, meron mang car. So Chinoy, tingin sa daan. You know, ganda magbike mga kapani life. Kasi bawal sa ngayon yung mga cars, yung mga four wheels. Ayan. Sino? Hello. Up sa left na left. So from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. exclusive yung coastal for biking, walking, and even jogging. Ayan guys, so libreng-libre tayo every Sunday. So ayan, no worries talaga, no? Magkapag-ensayo talaga tayo dito. Go Chinoy! Ayan, come to Coastal every Sunday. So exclusive siya from Bago Playa to Times Beach area. Go Chinoy! So pwede pa rin siya mag-park dito sa may Bago Playa playground. But doon sa malapit sa dagat, no, bawal na magpunta doon. From 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Go Chinoy! Go, go! Here comes our champion! Chinoy! Chinoy and the Mobs! Yoro! Liko doon! Liko doon! Sige, liko! Oops! It's cloudy Sunday guys. Katatapos lang stop yung ulan. Ayan. Buti naman, no? Huminto yung ulan. So here we are. Here we are at Coastal Road. Ayan. Kitang-kita nyo, no? Bakante. Car free Sundays. Ayan. So kita-kits every Sunday dito sa may Coastal. Musta na oy? Kaya pa? Ha? Kaya pa? So reminder pala guys, kailangan mag-helmet, no? Gusto nyo mag-bike. Even yung kids, no? Lalong-lalo na yung mga kids, kailangan talaga mag-helmet. And pwede naman mag-park sa parking area. Tapos, yeah. From parking area, doon na mag-start mag-bike or mag-walking or jogging. Ayan, happy Sunday everyone. God bless. Okay.